Hello everyone, I'll show you how I make my cake box. So my cake is covered in fondant, and before I covered in fondant it was frosted in buttercream. It's an easy way how I cover my square cakes. I'll show you how I do that. So I finished my box with a ribbon to make it more clean, and I made a little logo with a fondant and the edible image. So let's start it. I iced my cake in buttercream, and now I'm gonna cover it with fondant. So I rolled my fondant like I usually would do it. Put my fondant on the rolling pin, and now I'm gonna place it on my cake. I roll it a little bit bigger than I needed. Gonna smooth the top, and now I'm gonna do my sides. Instead of covering like my cake like I usually would do, like I cover my round cake, so I'm gonna make my square cake. I'm gonna make corners first on each side. And now we're gonna smooth it again. And now I'm gonna smooth it lightly. Try to smooth it, do it lightly. And squeeze my corner. Okay, after I squeeze my corner, I'm gonna use sharp knife, and I'm just gonna cut that extra excess. Gonna always go with my hand and try to smooth this. It's becoming not visible on my corners. And I'm gonna do this with each corner. So now I covered my cake. I smoothed out my corners with my hands. And my cake looks, on the sides it looks sharper, have a sharper edges. I do this for my wedding cakes, and I do this for like a box cakes. So this one I'm gonna make as a box. So that's very easy way to do it. So you don't have to struggle where to put the extra excess of fondant on your square cakes. To make a box, I'm using a ruler, and I'm using my knife, but not the side that you cut, the other side. And I'm gonna do lightly line. And now I'm gonna go with my stitching tool. So I wanna make a double stitch. I'm not gonna make one more line right next to it. Gonna mark. And gonna do one more line as my stitching tool. So now I went around my square cake, and I marked the lid with a stitch tool. And now we're gonna put a logo on the box. So thank you for watching, and please watch my other videos. I have a lot of videos how to make flowers and other cakes.